If you forgot the password to the private space on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, then unfortunately the bad news is that we will have to completely delete the private space. So whatever you have on the private space is going to be completely removed. Any file, any app whatsoever, it's going to be erased. But if you cannot truly remember the password to your private space, and if you definitely want to just completely reset the private space and then set it up once again, then of course we can tap on Forgot Password in the bottom left corner and we can tap on Continue. We will be redirected to Reset Options, and you can see that we have Delete Private Space highlighted. Here we need to enter our screen lock password in order to continue, and then we need to confirm that we want to delete the private space. And then once it is erased, you can of course set up the private space one more time, and of course then you can set up a new password. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.